Welcome to the Easy English Exercise channel, where you learn English in an easy way. Today, we're going to practice something special: how to speak English alone at home. Yes, alone. No partner, no teacher standing next to you. Just you, your voice, and your own space. Many learners think they need someone else to practice speaking, but the truth is, you can become fluent by practicing alone every single day at home. By the end of this podcast, you'll know exactly how to do it. You'll feel more confident. You'll feel ready. So relax. Get comfortable. Let's begin. First, let's talk about why speaking alone at home is actually perfect for learning. When you're alone, there's no pressure. Nobody is listening. Nobody is judging. You can make mistakes freely. You can repeat the same sentence 20 times if you want. You can speak slowly. You can even whisper. This freedom is so important, especially if you feel shy or nervous about your English. At home, you control everything: the speed, the topic, the time. You are the teacher and the student together. And here's something beautiful. When you practice alone, you build a relationship with your own voice in English. You start to hear yourself. You start to notice your sounds. You become your own listener. So here's something you can do right now, today. Find a quiet space in your home. It can be your bedroom, your kitchen, even your bathroom. Find one place where you feel safe and comfortable. That's your English-speaking corner. Later today, go to that place and say 5 sentences out loud. Any sentences. Talk about the weather. Talk about your breakfast. Just use your voice. Say it with me now. This is my speaking corner. Repeat. This is my speaking corner. Good. You've just started. Now let's talk about what you can actually say when you're alone at home. Many learners ask me, what do I talk about? I don't have anyone to talk to. And I understand. But here's the secret. You talk about your life, your day, your thoughts, your feelings. These are the most important topics because they are real. They are yours. Let me give you some examples. Listen first. Right now, I am listening to an English podcast. Now you repeat. Right now, I am listening to an English podcast. Again. Right now, I am listening to an English podcast. Did you say it? Even softly? That's practice. Now try this one. Today, I woke up at 7 in the morning. Repeat after me. Today, I woke up at 7 in the morning. One more time. Today, I woke up at 7 in the morning. You see, you're talking about your real life in English. And this is powerful because your brain remembers real things better than fake examples. So here's your next action. Tonight, before you go to bed, stand in your speaking corner and describe your day in English. Say 5 sentences. Start simple. I woke up. I had breakfast. I went to work. I came home. I listened to a podcast. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Don't worry if you forget a word. Just say what you can. This habit, talking about your day every night, will change your fluency. Because you're practicing real English, not textbook English. Let's move to another important part of speaking alone at home. Talking to objects. Yes, objects. This might sound a little strange, but it works so well. When you're at home, you're surrounded by things: a cup, a chair, a window, a phone. These things can be your conversation partners. You can describe them. You can talk to them. You can even ask them questions. Let me show you. Imagine you're holding a cup of coffee. You can say, "This is my coffee cup. It's white. It's warm. I like drinking coffee in the morning." Now repeat after me. This is my coffee cup. Say it. This is my coffee cup. Again. This is my coffee cup. Now describe something near you right now. Maybe your phone. Maybe your shoes. Say 3 sentences about it out loud. For example, "These are my shoes. They are black. I wear them every day." Go ahead, try it. I'll wait. Good, you did it. This technique is so helpful because you can practice anytime. You're cooking? Describe your food. You're cleaning? Talk about what you're doing. You're getting dressed? Say the colors of your clothes. Everything in your home becomes a speaking lesson. So here's what you can do starting today. Every time you touch something at home, say its name in English, out loud. Just the name: cup, door, key, bed. Simple, fast, real. This tiny habit trains your mouth to speak English automatically. Now let's talk about speaking to yourself in the mirror. This is one of the most powerful ways to practice speaking alone at home. Why? Because when you see yourself, you connect your voice with your face. You see your mouth moving. You see your expressions. And something magical happens. You start to feel more real as an English speaker. It's not just sounds anymore. It's you speaking English. So here's how you do it. Go to a mirror, any mirror. Look at yourself and say hello. Yes, just hello. Listen first. Hello, how are you today? Now you say it to the mirror. Hello, how are you today? Again. Hello, how are you today? Did you look at yourself while saying it? That's important. Now try having a short conversation with yourself. Ask a question and answer it. For example, what did you do today? I went to work. I had lunch. I studied English. Let me model it. Listen. What did you do today? I went to work and I studied English. Now you try. Ask yourself a question and answer it out loud. Beautiful. You stayed with it. Here's your action for today. Twice today, go to the mirror and have a 1-minute conversation with yourself in English. Ask yourself questions. How do I feel? What do I want to eat? What will I do tomorrow? Answer yourself like you're talking to a friend. It feels unusual at first, but after a few days, it becomes natural. And your confidence grows so much because you see yourself as someone who speaks English. Let's talk about one more powerful thing you can do alone at home. Reading out loud. Many learners read silently. They read with their eyes. But your eyes don't need practice. Your mouth does. Your tongue does. Your voice does. So when you read something in English, read it out loud. It can be anything: a text message, a recipe, a news headline, a sentence from a book. Just use your voice. Let me give you an example. Listen to this sentence. The weather today is sunny and warm. Now repeat after me.
The weather today is sunny and warm. Again, slowly. The weather today is sunny and warm. Did you say every word? Good. Now here's what you can do tonight. Find one sentence in English. Maybe a sentence from your phone. Maybe something from this podcast. Read it out loud 10 times. Yes, 10 times. Slowly, clearly. Listen to your own voice. Notice how it gets easier each time. Notice how your mouth learns where to go. This is how fluency is built, not by thinking, by doing, by repeating, by using your voice again and again. So tonight, choose your sentence. Read it 10 times. That's your practice.
Thank you so much for being here with me today. You listened. You repeated. You practiced speaking, even if you're alone right now. That's real courage. That's real progress. Remember, you don't need a classroom to become fluent. You don't need a partner. Your home is your practice space. Your voice is your tool. And every single day, you can speak English alone and grow stronger. So tonight, go to your speaking corner. Describe your day. Talk to an object. Look in the mirror. Read something out loud. Choose one. Choose all of them. Just use your voice. I believe in you. You're doing better than you know. Keep speaking. Keep going. You're not alone in this journey.